butterflies are the most amazing creatures. Did you know they can fly for thousands of miles? You did. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself though, because butterflies don't start out life as butterflies, do they? No, they start out as caterpillars. Yeah, so that's how we're going to start our story. Far away on the leaves of a milkweed plant, a tiny baby caterpillar is about to be born.
Heave-ho, heave-ho. Phew, boy, that was a tight squeeze. I thought I'd never get out of there. Phew, I'm really hungry. I know, I'll just eat the rest of my egg. Ah, eggs for breakfast. Delicious.
Diet, and we're gonna have to start exercising.
Exercising? Now hold on just a second. Don't get carried away here, Katie.
Nope, I think we have to start right now. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Come on, Kevin, get with the program.
Oh, all right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Why did I have to open my big fat mouth, oh boy?
I dreamed I could fly.
What? A flying caterpillar? Oh, you really crack me up sometimes, Katie.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna show you. I am gonna fly. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna try. I'll fly so high. I touch the sky. I don't know how, but I'm going to fly. What did this before? Wings. These leaves and branches make great wings. Now all I have to do is get myself up high enough into the sky, and then a big gust of wind is going to carry me away. All right, here I go. Off I go into the wild blue yonder, flying high.
Splat! Do I look like you?
You sure do. We've got wings.
Wow!
We're gonna fly.
We're gonna try.
We'll fly so high. We touch the sky. Oh, Kevin, now I know why I've been wanting to